Hey people of the internet, welcome again. Hope you guys doing well. So today I want to talk about the Figma process or the tutorial which no one talks about. And it will be not from the LinkedIn, Twitter or X, but it will be coming from your own team. So the PM might say to you, this isn't solving the problem. Or the designer will say to you that it looks messy. Or the developers will say to you, or they might be engineer, that they can't build. So the main question is not the how to face the problem. It will be the main question is how to survive it. So early in my career, I worked at a design review and I was so much proud of my design and the screens. But in 10 minutes, it was shredded apart. I was feeling like it's a failure. But what I didn't realize is not to take it personal. It was a part of the process. And how I reacted towards it is more important than the pixels on the screen. So instead of treating feedback as attack, treat it as a free research. If the PM pokes holes into your design, that means the story isn't clear. If the developer complains, that means you didn't check the feasibility in the design. And if the designer challenges your design, that means there is a better pattern you didn't see until now. So treat feedback as a free user testing. You just happen to be the user, that's it. So now after getting feedback, I follow these 3 rules. So the number 1 is listen first, defend later. The second one is ignore the noise and find the signal. And the third one is ask one follow-up question. Even if I disagree, that question reveals something useful. And after all these rules, by following it, this helped me to mindset shift and helped me to grow more than any courses or tutorials. Here's the truth, design isn't just making pretty Figma files. It's about the how you surviving the feedback, learning from it and coming back stronger. Because best designer isn't just making pretty flashy screens, they are the ones to know how to take the hit and learn from it. And now I would love to know from you, what's the hardest feedback you have ever received? Put that in the comments, I'd love to check that out. And if you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share with your friends. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a lovely day, have a lovely weekend. Peace.